Present simple. First form of verb plus s. Present continuous. Is, am, are plus first form of verb plus ing. Present perfect. Has or have according to subject plus third form of verb. Present perfect continuous. Has or have been plus first form of verb plus ing. Past simple second form of verb. Past continuous. Was or were plus first form of verb plus ing. Past perfect. Had plus third form of verb. Past perfect continuous. Had been plus first form of verb plus ing. Future simple. Will or shall plus first form of verb. Future continuous. Will be plus first form of verb plus ing. Future perfect. Will have plus third form of verb. Future perfect continuous. Will have been plus first form of verb plus ing. Present simple. I do. Present continuous. I am doing. Present perfect. I have done. Present perfect continuous. I have been doing. Past simple. I did. Past continuous. I was doing. Past perfect. I had done. Past perfect continuous. I had been doing. Future simple. I will do. Future continuous. I will be doing. Future perfect. I will have done. Future perfect continuous. Can you tell me this one? Present simple. I do. Present continuous. I am doing. Present perfect. I have done. Present perfect continuous. I have been doing. Past simple. I did. Past continuous. I was doing. Past perfect. I had done. Past perfect continuous. I had been doing. Future simple. I will do. Future continuous. I will be doing. Future perfect. I will have done. Future perfect continuous. Can you tell me this one?